is Larry Kaplan from MarineMax down here in Brick, New Jersey. Here on a 2019 270 SeaDek series SDX. This is an import-outboard version. We also have this boat with outboards. Coming from the transom, we have a SeaDek installation on the swim platform. Really nice sun pad across the transom. With the upgraded stereo, we have the stereo remote from Fusion. And as we go forward into the cockpit, SeaDek continues up to the social seating area. Seating area, as you see, has the new honeycomb back stitching. You have your seating, which is on hinges for extra storage access. On the starboard side, you have an igloo cooler under your seat for keeping your beverages cold. This boat is also equipped with a sport tower with bimini top. Has your vessel view and everything built into your Simrad display. Your main stereo, as well as double seats for your captain and companions. This boat also has a spacious head compartment with vacuum flush head. Center windshield closes, as well as a draft dodger. Then as you go forward into the spacious cockpit, you've got very nice reclining seats with armrests and also additional storage underneath. Self-draining. This is Larry Kaplan. Thank you for coming and seeing the 27 SDX. Thank you.